Welcome back to Cooking with Cad. For those of you that don't know, Cad, I have two sons, Caleb and Dustin. This is Caleb. Say hi, Caleb.
Hi, Caleb.
And behind the lens, as always, is Dustin. Say hi, Dustin.
Hi, Dustin. Hi, Dustin.
All right, so what we have today for you guys, we're doing breakfast for dinner tonight. Does that sound delicious?
Yes.
Give me a kiss. All right, so what we're doing, I'm doing keto pretty hardcore. The rest of the family tolerates it, but they really like this recipe. We're doing pancakes, keto friendly, on the Blackstone Griddle. We also, Dustin, have some sausage, voila, voila, voila. Sausage that we're gonna put on the griddle. Now, for the pancakes, it calls for 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of butter. We use unsalted Kerrygold butter. This here, it calls for protein powder, 62 grams, but you can substitute coconut flour. So that's what we have decided to do. It also calls for 8 eggs, and for a little sweetness, it calls for some vanilla extract. So the next thing we'll do is we're gonna get these ingredients into the food processor. Okay, as you can see in the food processor, we have the 8 eggs. How many eggs? 8. We have 8 ounces of cream cheese, and we have the butter in there, 1/4 cup. So what we're gonna do now, not yet, K-Bob. All right, now we've got it ready. Help me pulse. Was that fun, K-Bob? Huh? All right, so now we have those mixed pretty well. The next thing we're gonna do is add the wet ingredients. The dry ingredients to the wet. So we're gonna put, ooh, does that smell good? We're gonna put in the coconut flour.
You mix it.
And we're gonna mix it in the kitchen.
Wrist twist it like this.
There you go. Hold on, Caleb. The next thing we have to do is we are gonna get a teaspoon of vanilla, and we always add a teaspoon and then a little splash, right? So here we go. Teaspoon and a splash. Gives it a nice little sweetness. Hold on, K-Bob. Now what we're gonna do, close this again. Okay, you ready? It's food processor vision. Check it out. What's up? We're ready to go put these on the Blackstone. Check it out, Dustin. Here's the consistency that you're looking for. This is gonna be delicious. We're gonna go outside and get these babies cooking on the Blackstone Griddle.
Hibachi.
Hibachi! That's right. So tonight we're kind of gonna do a little hibachi. Caleb loves it when we say hibachi. So what I'm gonna do, hibachi Roomba. Gonna grease this just a bit with butter.
Butter.
All right, so we have some butter there. Gonna scatter the sausages. Can I have the, thank you, sir. Little sizzle, yeah. That means we're getting up to nice temp.
I'm on the watch video.
Hold on, K-Bob. You're gonna help me hibachi? Whoa.
There was no
Hibachi, no hibachi. All right, so we're gonna let those sit and do their thing now. We're gonna come over here and we're gonna add our pancake butter. That looks good for 1. That looks good for 2. Now it's gonna have a little tail on it, a little colita, if you will. And let's get a 4th one there. And let's do a little Caleb one right here. Not as big.
I want my one sprinkles.
Right there. You want yours with sprinkles? Ask Mama, she can go get the sprinkles real quick. All right, guys, so when you're doing pancakes, you don't want to flip it over until you start to see bubble, bubble, bubbles. Bubble, bubble, bubbles. So these haven't started to bubble yet, so we're gonna turn our attention over here, Dustin. Little butter in with this beef sausage. Who doesn't like sausage and pancakes? Breakfast for dinner is always a winner here at the Sharp household. I'm going to raise the heat on this burner just a bit. This Blackstone is really cool. It has 4 1500 BTU burners underneath. So we're going to let that go. Dustin, let's take a look at these pancakes. They're starting to come along. And now what we're going to do, let's add some sprinkles to this one. This one's K-Bob's. He always likes to have a little fun with his pancakes, and we don't mind that at all. So we're going to do that. Whoa! Hibachi. All right, let's add some purple in there. Purple drink? No. Purple sprinkles. All right, so that's looking good there for K-Bob. You got to remember, he's 3, so have to make cooking a little fun, and he wants some sprinkles, so we'll go ahead and do it. All right, so these sausages are coming along. All right, Dustin, now let's look over here. Look at this pancake here. You see, guys, how it's starting to bubble up? Bubble, bubble, bubble. So let's look at this one. Starting to get some bubbles. As we mentioned, once they start bubbling, they're ready to go. This one looks pretty good. Slide it underneath. Oh, look at that. Nice little crisp edge. Dustin, let's look at this one. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Beautiful golden brown. That's stuck a little bit. No worries at all. We'll eat it. Doesn't have to be perfect. So these are about ready. The sausage, take a look, bro. Getting some nice caramelization on it. All right, these are ready. We're going to throw these over here. All right, I'm going to turn my heat down just a bit on these 2 burners. And we're going to do some more pancakes. Hungry family of 4. You hear that sizzle, Dustin? Mm-hmm. Oh, this is going to be yummy. Mama loves the Blackstone too, because guess what? Since we've had it, she hasn't had to cook much in the kitchen at all, because Dustin and I always want to break out the Blackstone. So if you want to make your wife happy and you know how to cook, I would suggest buying one of these, because you get to feed your lovely wife and she doesn't have to cook either. So here we go again. We're looking for bubbles. Take a look at that sausage. Oh yeah, see those little black pieces in there, bro? Mm-hmm. Starting to crisp up nice. In fact, we're going to turn off the heat on these 2 burners. Let those sit for a bit. Get in close on that, Bubba. Look at that. It's going to be fantastic. What are you doing? Are you acting silly? Does that look delicious? What are these?
Pancakes.
What's that?
Sausage.
Sausage? What's that?
Apple.
What's that?
Peaches.
Okay, so I think the boys might even top their pancakes with some peaches. So Dustin, check it out. We've got our plate here. 3 stacks, some butter, unsalted, and we have sugar-free syrup. We've got the sausage as well. You can see the sausage for the rest of the fam over here, because that's probably going to be my dinner plate. And we have the rest of the pancakes here. So guys, as you can see, how easy was this? Really easy, huh? Ridiculously easy. We will drop the recipe in the description below. Give it a try. Let us know what you think. Hopefully, you'll smash that thumbs up button on here and like this video. 2 thumbs up? Well, how can you do 2 thumbs up? Now do it. Yeah. 2 thumbs up. Dustin, thumbs up. All right, guys, so as a reminder, when we hit 500 subs, we're going to give away a free slow smoked brisket. You can only win if you are a subscriber. Dustin is smart for an 11-year-old. So he's going to try to put a link in so you can check out the video for the 500 brisket giveaway. And we're ready to eat some breakfast for dinner, aren't we?
Yes.
All right. So there you go. Easy keto pancakes, breakfast for dinner. And what's next, Caleb? We will see you guys on the next episode of Cooking with Cat. Bye-bye.